everyone, welcome back to Inspiring Ashrita. I'm so happy to see you guys in today's video, which is going to be all about tutorial 3 of Dino Rescue Game. So here I am in my Google browser. I'm just going to type Microsoft MakeCode. Okay, so here I am. I'm just going to click on MakeCode Microsoft. And I'm gonna click on Arcade. So here I am in my home page. We'll just go back to our beginner skill map. And we're going to go to Traffic Dodger. So I'm gonna go there. Okay, so collecting things is great, but let's also add an element of danger. This tutorial will show you how to add cars to the road. Yeah, that's great because it's great to have something that the player to avoid. Okay, yeah. But before we code or do anything, I'm gonna arrange our things around so it's easier for us to do. Okay, I'm just gonna arrange this around to make this a bit organized so it's easier for us to do the coding and stuff. There, and non-countdown end block, and the forever loop. There, perfect. Now that we're all organized, now let's zoom in and let's play the game. So let's collect the baby dinos. 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, there's a huge countdown and no. Oh yes, we got a new high score, which is 6. So let's go to the next. Now let's start by adding a new kind of projectile, an enemy. So let's go to loops and drag out a new forever loop and put it down here. Then from sprites, drag out a set projectile to projectile. So this will let us to choose what we want for the car. So I'm just going to click on my assets and click on the car. I'm just going to add a few tweaks like some yellow on the top of the car. And a bit of down here. Yeah, let's just do the drawing for this area of the code. Yeah, I'm gonna color the whole thing later maybe, because we have to focus on the coding part. I'll just adjust the parts where I accidentally colored over it. Yeah, looks good. I'll color this later. So let me just add a little bit more and a bit down here, and a bit down there, and a bit down here. Almost done. Perfect. Then lastly, we'll just put in the on top things, and we'll just adjust this part. There you go. A nice little car. Done. Now next we're going to change the VX value to minus 90. Oops, 9, not 99, 9, not 50. $90. There. Then the VY to 0. So our cars move horizontally from the right to left. Okay. Our cars are not going properly. I know why, because we have to put minus 90. Now let's see. They're coming from this area, but still it's not good. It's like there's a yellow streak of cars coming in, so we don't want that. So let's go to sprites. Yeah, so just like how we did with the baby dinos, we're going to use a set my sprite X to 0. Just click on Y. Okay, then I'm gonna change this X to Y, and then I can just go to math and drag out a pick random block, and I'm just gonna choose maybe 15 to 155. Oops, 115. Okay, 15 and 115. There. Okay, now that we're done with that, we're going to use the pause loop and put it right under the pick random 15 to 155 block. Then we'll change this to 2001. Next. Now let's try our game on the game screen. Okay, that's really weird. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to change this from projectile to Y. Now let's see. Yes, so we have no. This is not good. Whenever we hit a car, we get awarded a point. So we have to do something that makes us reduce the score so that the player has something to be aware of. So let's put this down here. Set my sprite to kind of player, and right above the pause block and right below the pick random 15 to 155 block. So we're gonna choose this to enemy, and we'll make this as projectile 2. There, now the program knows our car is the enemy. So what are we gonna do about it? So I'm gonna find the baby dinos overlapping loop and just duplicate that. Then I'm going to zoom out so I can easily move this to the end of the piece of code. There. Okay, so then I'm going to change the second kind to enemy. Then let's subtract a heart. So let's go to info and drag out a change life by 1 block. So we have to avoid the cars and collect the baby dinos because we don't want to lose all of our hearts. So let's just collect the baby dinos. Yeah, but we got a new high score, which is great. What an amazing creation. This game has it all. Drama, enemies, winning and losing. Play it through before moving along. When you're done, click finish to return to the main page where you can share your games with family and friends. So let's click on finish. Alright guys, I'm so excited, but this is the last tutorial of Dino Rescue game. It's animated, so we can animate our characters. So guys, in the next video, and which is also the last video for this playlist, we will be doing animated. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!